Doing number 13 here from the practice midterm. It says find the limit as x approaches negative infinity of x over the square root of x squared minus x. So now if you plugged in negative infinity, you're going to end up with negative infinity on top. Down below you have negative infinity squared is infinity minus infinity, so you have an infinity over a zero situation. Well, that's not going to work, so we have to do some manipulations here to make this work. So here are some steps to go about this. First thing I'd do is I'd probably think about multiplying this by 1 over x over 1 over x. So I'm multiplying by 1 here. And that's going to give me the limit as x approaches negative infinity of x over the square root of x squared minus x over x. So I just multiply the numerator times the 1 over x and the denominator times 1 over x. That's going to equal the limit as x goes to negative infinity of 1 on top, and then down below we have the square root of x squared minus x over x. Now ideally I want to make the denominator just one radical there, and so I'm going to recall that x equals the negative of square root of x squared since we have x is less than 0. So I'm able to substitute on my x and put in there negative square root of x squared because my x is negative, since x is going to negative infinity. And this goes back to the whole principal square root issue. Okay, so now we'll have the limit as x goes to negative infinity of 1 over the square root of x squared minus x over negative square root of x squared, because my x becomes the negative square root of x squared. That's going to give me the limit as x goes to negative infinity of 1 over, I'll have one square root here. Now they got this negative that's going to apply outside of it. X squared minus x over x squared. So we have the limit as x goes to negative infinity of 1 over the square root of, I put the negative out front again. That's going to be x squared over x squared minus x over x squared. That's going to give me the limit as x goes to negative infinity of 1 over negative square root of 1 minus 1 over x. Now if I apply that negative infinity in here, I'd have 1 over negative square root of 1 minus 1 over negative infinity. That's going to be 1 over negative square root of 1 minus negative is plus, and 1 over infinity is 0. So we have 1 over negative square root of 1 plus 0 is 1. So we have 1 over negative 1, so I get negative 1. Hope that makes sense.